Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Kiosk, to a brand new story, new discoveries, new experiences of life. Today's vlog is about a trekking experience somewhere around in Nairobi. I will take you to waterfalls, caves, papyrus swamp, bamboo forest, and a silent river flowing. Those feel like elements of a fantasy track, don't they? So just come along, join me, and experience all those elements along with me. So, this is a nature trail, a path through a forest for hiking and seeing plants and animals. A long, relaxed walk in the forest and very much closer to nature. Hiking provides a time for reflection and introspection. It boosts mood and improves mental health. Spending quality time in the outdoors reduces stress and reduces the risks of depression. That's what researchers suggest, and I second it as I have been hiking quite a bit lately. Staying close to nature and far away from the complications of life keeps you more focused and productive in life, I feel. The difficult paths of life usually lead us to beautiful destinations in life too. It's rightly said, a walk in nature walks your soul back home. How deep this sentence hits me. Think about it very carefully, you'll understand it very well. You go for a nature walk and you come back with a fresh, positive soul and thinking. That's bliss, isn't it? Listen to the sounds of the waterfall thickening as we are approaching to the waterfall site. జల్లేం రావట్లేదు ఇట్ జస్ట్ డాట్ I go for a walk in the woods and come out taller than the trees. I hope you understand what I want to convey to you. Such walks make me feel more rejuvenated and more focused in life. If you have realized in my previous videos and also in the current video, the places in Kenya are kept as rustic and as natural as possible for a beautiful experience for the visitors. This bamboo rest place is such a magnificent area. The atmosphere is so serene, welcoming and very inviting actually. This cave is 37 meters long deep into the forest surface. It has been used by the Mau Mau fighters during the colonial days when they were fighting for the freedom of Kenya. I'm sure you liked the video. If you did, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Creative Kiosk. Keep it locked to Creative Kiosk always. See you all real soon with a brand new video on Creative Kiosk.